Quick guide to wardrobe assembly. Secure the 64 screws to the wooden board. Assemble these boards. Secure these assembled boards. Next, secure the back panel of the wardrobe. Next, we'll start assembling the drawers. Fitting drawer handles. Secure the runners to both sides of the drawer. The sides of the wardrobe must also be secured. Fit the drawer into place. Attach the hinges to the covered door. Then fit handles to them. Next, install the cabinet doors. The screw inside is used to adjust the gap between the door and the cabinet. The other screw is used to adjust the gap. Once you've done all that, you're all set.